How to quick zoom in Capcut. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to quick zoom in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Once you get into the app, tap on the Add New Project here. You can also choose the projects you have already saved. Then click to add the project for editing. Now, after adding the video, tap on the clip you want to zoom. Tap on any specific clip, and you will see the diamond shape icon appear. So move the arrow from where you want to start the zoom in. Then simply tap on the diamond shape icon to start the process. After that, move along with the video and stop your cursor where you want to end the zoom in. Then, again, tap on the diamond icon to make a stop for it. So it's very simple. Just use the diamond icon on the start or end of the specific clip you want to zoom. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.